Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have another, well, actually, it's a short video. This is just to promote. I have a 2004 to 2000, I would say maybe 2003 to 2006 4F150 Lightning computer. These are very hard to get computers, so this is a computer that I actually put together, and it's fully repaired. I'm going to show in a test here the computer working 100% and running injectors and coils with no faults and RPMs and everything working. I'm going to put this into eBay probably for sale and also promote with the videos in here because these are very hard to get computers, very expensive. So if it's one of my YouTube subscribers that contact me, and through this video I will give a special price, and I know I'm going to promote it also on the Fort Lightning forums because like I said again, these computers are upwards up to $3,500 or so. Obviously, I'm not going to charge that, but this is again a fully tested, fully repaired computer. So I'm definitely going to look for the best price possible. But again, if you're one of my subscribers, please make sure that you show me that and I will give you a special price specifically for my Salazar Diagnostic subscribers. Thank you so much. All right, so let's go into the computer. So this is computer, the part number is 4L3A two, sorry, 12A as an apple, 650 AUB, and the tag number is URB1. So again, this is a computer. I will program it to your bean. So please contact me when you perform the purchase with your VIN number. I will need, because all I can program is the VIN number unless you send me a key and I can program it to the computers. But actually, that's something that you want to do in the car because that will be a separate, completely thing. I can program the bean and send it to you, and you program the keys in the car. It's probably the best way to go. All right, let's do the test. I'm going to also get the scanner in here. All right, so I got the scanner ready. Um, Let me power everything off first so you will see the light going out as far as the test light. So you will see my that is indeed fully programmed to the computer. This is one of my clusters that I use this for here for testing. So we have no fault codes. I'm using the full probe to test these computers, and I have the scanner in here. So let's go over to live data so we can see the actual values. So I'm going to select with you here. I'm trying to make this completely live so we can see the actual computer running. Let me go over to the engine RPM. Those are the two values that I'm going to show, and I'm going to graph this one. Let me see, graph right here. All right, so we can now see a graph of the battery. So I'm going to change the battery voltage just briefly so we can see the actual scanner is connected. So I went down to 12 point something, and I'm going up to 13 point something so we can see the change. I'm going to get right here because that glare probably didn't let you see it. So I'm going down again. We got a 12 point something and now 13 point something. So the computer is reading properly. All right, so everything is ready. For this, I use the full pro because I have created a harness and we will see the injectors and everything in here, but you will see also the injectors flowing in here. That's a simulation that this uh, simulator can do, right? So let me put the ignition, and then this first test is going to be in low RPMs. We can immediately see the injectors firing, which is that means that all the immobilizer pads in the 4 is good to go and it's all working good. We can also see the RPMs in here, as you see, and also, let me get you to the scanner, we got 400 RPM. So everything is matching because that's exactly the RPMs that I'm providing. We can see right here the injectors, and these three lights in here is for the simulation of the coil. So injectors, coils, everything is working 100%. All right, so I'm going to turn this off one more time and change the signal because I use two different signals just because of the way the full probe is. I'm going to move it to signal 7, and I'm going to go over 1,000 RPMs, like 1150, and then turn this on. We can see immediately in injectors. Uh, we can see also the RPMs on the scanner, 1150 around there, and then coils and injectors now rapidly being, um, you know, command by the computer. So, and we can see again on the instrument cluster the same RPM. So everything on this computer is now fully tested. We'll have My Salazar Diagnostic warranty. So if you're looking for one of these computers, please contact me. I will put the email on the link of the description on this video. And also, if you want, you can just visit my website, which I probably will promote in there as well. Just look for mysalazardiagnostics.com and please click on the click here to email us. Email me there, contact me, and then we'll start the process to send you the module right away. All right, guys, thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.